Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today I wanted to offer a little tip, and it's concerning your differential vent lines. The differential needs to vent, and typically most vehicles are going to have form of a vent system or a vent line that runs to the differential, and then that vent line may run up somewhere on the chassis or in the engine compartment, something like that. But watch the next few minutes of the video and I'll show you what I found on my Jeep Wrangler, and I'll show you a quick fix I did to fix it. And the best thing is just making you aware that you need to keep an eye on things as regular maintenance. You need to do some vehicle inspections, because I did end up getting water in the differential, and that's not always good, but part of vehicle maintenance is part of those inspections. So stick around and I'll show you what I did to fix it, and talk a little bit more about the long term. Part of vehicle maintenance is making sure your differential vent lines are still connected to the vent nipple. As you can see here, this one is not, and definitely results in getting water inside the differential. So I'm going to have to fix that, maybe with a clamp or something, just to ensure that it doesn't pop back off. Some nice milky differential fluid, that's for sure. So this is what I did in the short term to fix this. This is the OEM hose, and there's where the factory end of the hose was. That piece of the hose was actually going up there to the differential nipple, the vent nipple. So when they lifted the vehicle, either someone didn't make provisions for that, maybe the lift kit came with extended hose piece, forgot to put it on, but every time we'd get off road and the axle start articulating one way or the other, it would pull this off. So what I had available is I had a plastic union, fuel hose union, and I had some hose. So I added a section of hose. I put 2 worm gear clamps here, and you can see up there on the differential I put another worm gear clamp. So that actually extended this hose. Ideally, maybe the right thing to do is have a solid piece of hose run from here all the way up to the engine bay and replace that, but that's what I had available, so I made it work. Hey guys, so there's just a little tip. So the takeaway from this is check your differential vents, make sure the hose is still connected so you don't get any water in there. Periodically check your differential fluid for water by just taking out the fill plug, maybe sticking a tie strap down in there and pulling it out. But thank you for watching, and until next time, keep them dirty.